In this video today I am going to show you how you can make $100 in a day with Google. When we say Google, most of us think of a platform where it can search for anything and get bunch of results that could be useful and helpful for you. But in this video I will show you how such platform can actually get you paid for free and with ease. Stay tuned to find out how. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So you heard that right, Google out of all sites will be paying us today, and to be more specific, it's Google platform called Skillshop either way. This is the site that we will be using in order to make money. To know more, let us question what is Google Skillshop. Well, this is Google's official platform that allows you to grab various courses that will teach you skills for free. As seen right here, develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google product certified. The best part is that you get certificate whenever you complete one of these courses. You can watch course relating to Google Ads, which will allow you to grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. You have courses relating to Google Marketing Platform, courses relating to analytics and so on. There are just too many for me to read out loud. Now which courses in particular will grant you certification, you can see by hovering your mouse over Get Certified here. And if I hover my mouse over Google Ads, you can see all courses which I have to watch in order to get certified. You can get certificate for Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, and finally Waze. The first step you might not like, but it will pay off, I promise. And that is to come over to this site and get certificate from any of these courses. The courses that pay off the most are Google Ads courses. And as you can see, some are shorter and some are longer. For example, this one will take a couple of hours, and while this is a bit of time, remember that you just have to finish the course once and that is it. You will now have the certificate forever. You will also gain valuable knowledge from these courses that will pay off big time, because people are willing to pay a lot of money for Google Ads experts, and I will show you where to find customers right now. You can find customers using these two platforms. The first platform is called peopleperhour.com. This is a site where you can come to work as a freelancer or pay a freelancer. Obviously, we are here to make money, so we will indeed be working as a freelancers. Here is the thing that I love about this site. In comparison to Fiverr, for example, on People Per Hour, you can find people who are offering to pay you for certain jobs. Whereas on Fiverr, you can create a gig and wait for the customer to come to you. So this is why we are using People Per Hour in particularly. So now what you need to do is create an account by clicking on sign up right here. I will not go through the entire process because I am sure you can manage it. And by the way, if you are learning a lot from this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now once you are done creating an account, your next step is to click on search and then select search project. From there you will search for job. The type of job you will search for depends on the type of course, the ones that you completed over on Google Skillshop. Let's say you completed the course relating to Google Ads. If you search for that, you will now find that there are people offering up to hundreds of dollars. And not only do you have certificate as a Google Ad expert, but thanks to Google's courses, you will know exactly how it all works and what to do. This means you will be able to make a lot of money. For example, this person I found is offering this amount for Google Ads expert. And this is only just an example out of massive number of offers I found only on People Per Hour alone, and all of which are relating to Google Ads. As you can see, while you do invest tiny bit of time into learning a few things here and there, that knowledge is immensely valuable online and can end up making you a ton of money. However, People Per Hour is not the only platform. You can use similar platform called freelancer.com is perfect as well. What you need to do on freelancer.com is similar to peopleperhour.com. First, create an account by clicking on sign up in upper right corner. When done, click on browse jobs and then search for a job type. That depends on the type of course you completed. Let's go along with the Google Ads experts as an example. As you can see, just like with the previous site, you will easily find people offering as much as hundreds of dollars for a Google Ads expert. The sheer number of offer is high on freelance, as you can see. Now, while both of these platforms have the drawbacks of you having to bid for others, keep in mind that simply because there are so many of them, it is virtually guaranteed that someone will accept your offer, and when that happens, you will be able to earn hundreds of dollars. If you want to avoid that, then what you can do is create a gig on People Per Hour or even on Fiverr and ask for this amount. So this will be a bit of slower way to get customers, but once you get few reviews, it will get easier from there. Now, if you think that today's video is too difficult and if you want much easier and simpler method to make money, and if you want done for you solution that will do all the hard work for you and that will help you to promote any offer that you want and earning auto-valid commission, you can check out the link in the video description below. Now when you click on the link below, you will be able to find different case studies and different proof videos that shows you how they are earning daily commissions online. And while watching that video, you guys will realize that you don't have to put in lot of efforts by yourselves. You just have to copy and paste to promote your link and just follow the training and you can start earning commission every single day. Once again, click on the link down below and start earning $500 in a commission every single day. And I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure to go ahead and smash that like button right now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my number one recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure to click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's bring me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.